In this video we are going to fix the exhaust, and it's one of the fixes that you expect to be done in an hour maybe. Expectations were simple: heat up the exhaust and try to bend it back. But God, I was wrong. I have ended up bending the exhaust, then bending the exhaust holder, then fixing the screws that holds the holder and straightening the exhaust mounting point. It took around 2.5 hours to get done, but the results are pretty good, so let's see the process. I was planning to heat up the manifold with a flame gun, but then I realized that the exhaust is actually heating up to 300 to 600 degrees Celsius while engine is running. That temperature is enough to bend it slowly so it won't crack or something. Always bend the steel when it's hot, otherwise it could crack. Also, when hot, it somehow wants to get to the original shape. So with the engine and exhaust manifold all heated up, I have easily returned the silencer where it's supposed to be. This was like 3 minutes job. Also, the good thing in 1290 is that the catalytic filter is inside the silencer, so you can use that leverage to bend the manifold. Sometimes the connection between silencer and manifold is just by the ring sealing. I would not recommend trying to bend the manifold on that type of exhaust, it could just break. Next step was to rethread the damaged thread on the subframe. That was the easy part. When the screws are torn away, they sometimes leave parts of their thread on the subframe, so using just power without brain and trying to get the new screws there could do more damage. And we are absolutely not buying the new subframe. The holder for the exhaust and right-hand foot peg is from two parts. The top part was okay, but the part that holds the exhaust was out of shape. And I was not expecting the holder to be bent. I thought that screwing it back would be enough, and I was wrong again. It was bent like crazy. So I did it the Clarkson's way, got the hammer and hammered it back into shape. Good idea is to use mallet instead of hammer, so you don't scratch the surface. With the older kind of returned to its original shape, I could continue to fix the silencer. It was all about mounting and dismounting it multiple times. Good thing is that it holds on 2 screws basically, so one is for the holder, next one is for the ring seal. Mounting point was slightly bent, but 2 hammers and 5 minutes later it was straight again. With all the paths reshaped, I could mount the exhaust to the frame, and I can tell you it fits great. I'm planning to take out the DB killer-like things from the original silencer, just so the flow will be with less obstacles. I think the manifold imperfections are enough and the engine is high power, so we will see it in the next video. Also, the silencer is damaged, so I kind of don't care and I want to give it a try. And that's it for today. I have just over 10 subscribers, but I was really surprised that few people reached out to me and offered the second-hand parts. Now I can tell you that I have an almost brand new manifold on the way. Also, foot peg and exhaust holders are available, so that is really great, and thank you for all of this. I really wasn't expecting that. In the next video I will fix the wheel, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the last bigger repair before the test ride. Until then, ride safe and peace.